cooks, welcome to Gigi's Recipes. I'm Amanda Blaylock. Gigi was my great-grandma. She was also a dietitian. And in these videos, we explore her cookbooks and try a new recipe each week. Today we're going to be making carrot orange bread. This recipe is from my great-grandma's cookbook, Cholesterol Control Cookery. So if you need more cholesterol-friendly recipes, this is a great one. Let's get started. Begin your dry ingredients with sifted flour. Then add sugar, baking soda, cinnamon, and baking powder. Make sure they're thoroughly mixed. Off to the side, you'll take 2 egg whites and whisk them slightly. Combine the egg whites with an unsaturated oil of your choice, and orange juice. If you're not sure which ones are unsaturated oils, here are a few to choose from. For this recipe, I used vegetable oil. Once your wet ingredients are mixed, set them aside and grab the dry ingredients. Add the shredded carrots to your flour mixture and toss to coat. Then add your wet ingredients. Make sure the batter is well incorporated. Once it is, line a loaf pan with parchment paper and transfer the batter to the pan. Let your bread bake at 350 degrees. Remove the bread from the oven and let it cool. My bread fell a little in the middle. This can happen when you bake at high altitudes. I'll have to make some adjustments next time if I want it to look prettier. I'll post these adjustments in the comments in case you're baking at a high altitude too. This bread has a bright taste and it's so moist and yummy. It really hits a sweet spot and goes great with coffee or as a breakfast or dessert. I hope you all liked the carrot orange bread. If you did, the full recipe is in the description below. Please like and subscribe for more Gigi's Recipes.